TNS family, back to another vlog.
Everybody, let's go. Joe, you ready?
Oh, na 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 na.
Let's go.
Yeah, yeah,
Let's go.
come on, let's go. This is the day the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. It's my honor to give you praise, Lord. If you feel like I do, wave like this. Say, I feel like praising. I feel like lifting Him. I feel like giving all of the glory. Come on, say that. I feel like lifting Him. I feel like everybody say, come on, let's go.
So, I had a choice to record inside the gym while here. I chose to record here because you won't be able to hear me. It's pumping, and I need to get out of here. So, before I came for my session, me and wife had a little bet if I could walk from the gym to her indoor netball in 15 minutes. So I said 15, but she said 20 minutes. So I'm about to show y'all right now. I'm still at the gym, and I'm about to leave. Turn on my watch, and we out. See them, fam. Okay, fam. It's already been 5 minutes. 5 minutes and 30 seconds now. So I've got another 9.5 seconds. Sorry, 9.5 minutes to go. Can I get it, fam? Can I get it? Sorry if you guys can't hear me. It's windy as. Come on, Dax. Come on. Do the line. Family. Man, as you can tell, I'm huffing and puffing. I've got 30 seconds.
Sit here.
15 minutes, 45 seconds, 1.25 kilometers, and I made it. Okay, now we're on Cesar's phone. Go live.
Hi family.
Yeah.
I've got the top wrong.
So wife's team, Cesar's team is winning by 10 points, 17-7, and they're cruising. And there you have it, family. 40-13, I think. Girls are coming off. Cesar. Yeah!
Wow.
They killed it. They done
Oh, I
well.
didn't even see the scores.
It was 40-13.
40-13.
Played well, baby.
Okay, so it's a Friday and you know what's up, where we usually are at. Got Chris came to youth, the husband. We're not doing it at the church today, so I'm assuming it's at Will and Kat's house. But I think we're like almost 10 minutes late. Let's go.
What's up?
Hey, Kat. Hi, family. I just need the light for 2 seconds. Yes.
I'm in the light.
Shira. Emma made it. Wow, wow. Hello, Crystal. Keisha. Hi. That means. How are you? I will bless the Lord, oh my soul, and all that is within me. Bless his holy name.
The boys in the kitchen. So fams, these the boys.
You're the boys.
But yeah.
That's a secret.
Yeah, so we just come together to get to know each other and just see, what's good, see how each other are. And to be honest, really, I'm just saying what could possibly happen, but you never know, man. The Holy Spirit could just take it in a whole another direction. And yeah, and the reason why it's so dark is because the light popped. So, yep, we're snacking and we're about to lock into it. Hey! Alright then, so I'll let you guys know what's good after, and yeah, God bless you all. So there we have it, fams. Just finished with the boys and it went awesome. So we're gonna have a feed all together.
A few moments later.
Joy. J. No. Oh, J. Joe. Something
Stop.
joy. Joy, stop. Something joy. Something joy. Joystick. Joystick. Something joy. Joystick. Joystick. What's joystick?
The joystick. Rejoice.
Oh!
I could have done that one.
Yo, what's up, family? So we just finished band practice. It was good, very good. It's just tough because my fingers are so rusty on the guitar, and it's such a challenge trying to get back into it again and just trying to play the different chords for different songs. But it's real good to be back in this kind of environment. We got hit with a bombshell. So the mothers of the church, they give the falisa, so they do up the church every week. So every mother gets a assigned date to come in and do the church up. So Sis had lost track. Oh no, sorry. Sis didn't lose track of her time. It was actually Mum's. Mum was supposed to go, I think, after we came back from Bali, but Sis had a turn. Sis took her turn, and then now it's supposed to be, so today's supposed to be Mum's turn, but we totally forgot. So Sis just said, oh no, you know what, Mum, it's all good, we'll take over and we'll do it for you. So we're about to get, no, not really about to get started, but I'm about to do the little cleanups and stuff, and hopefully Sis can come up with something to do that up and do that up. Okay, so it'll be interesting. So I got to do the vacuum, the mop, stuff like that.
Ta-da! Let me show you. Okay. Don't judge me, okay, guys? This is going in wrong. Okay. I just did a basic red ear on the bottom to match with our carpet. Thrown it over with a shimmery, I don't know what to call it, this sort of material. And yeah, put my basic flowers in front. And voila, I'm done. My husband just vacuumed the floor. He mopped the floor, cleaned the toilets. My husband had a hard job. Hey baby.
Don't forget to eat, family.
My husband hasn't eaten all day. Okay. Grab my beanie. Is all the plugs off? The church all cleaned up. It's very cold. Okay, hey family, so it is a Monday right now and we're here at Braybrook Hotel because it is Carol Talita. I'm going to insert a photo of her here. It is her birthday today and she's celebrating her 21st. Taru couldn't make it, Tux couldn't make it because he just finished work, so him and Jace couldn't come.
Hey, Cricket is cold. And it's very cold in Melbourne.
My cheeks are red. But I'm not overdressed.
Supposed to be shiny. I'm gonna vlog when we like getting there.
Okay.
I wake up less than highly favored just to see another day. Proof that second chances come with every sunrise. My life bumps and bruises, tribulations and trials, but I made it through. So it's all good. These are better days. I've been to the bottom of the barrel of my pride, and I felt by surprise. I live in the dark where there's a sunrise. I'm feeling like the most high spirit child. Breath of fresh air and a brand new morning.
Why you respect your parents? Why you honor your parents?
This girl wanted to come in Fela's jumpsuit, tracksuit.
Let's go, come on! Everybody shout with me, hey! Yes, Lord, I agree. Everybody shout with me. Yes, Lord, I agree. Everybody shout with me, say, yes, Lord, I agree. Let's go! All things are possible. All things are possible. All things are possible. All things. Here we go. Everybody shout with me. Yes, Lord, I agree. Everybody shout with me. Yes, Lord, I agree. Shout it out if you agree. Yes, Lord, I
I want to play. He said games, and you know, when me and Von are together, competitive.
Serious. No, don't play because everyone's gonna know when you are losing. You're gonna be angry.
So if you don't have any volunteers, just quiet.
Go.
Now.
Yeah.
One more.
Go now. Go now.
Bella, come.
Must be Tom still.
Mountain beef as well. Just mix it up. Now our first game is highlight challenge.
Now in. I know challenge. Go Mal!
Uta, uta, uta.
see the audience. See who's got the loudest scream. So, yes. Here you guys for Melody.
Sis, how was it? Sis? I already lost my voice on the weekend. Yeah, you were a bit off. A bit, hey, my voice was shaking. Oh my gosh. Okay, I found 2 subscribers to the TNS family, and I'm so happy right now. I found them. Oh my god, I ran. Okay, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Samantha. I'm Asa. We watch TNS vlogs. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Oh, I love them. They came up to me and I was like, wait, I'm gonna go and get the camera. Anyways, do you have any like socials? I can tell them to add you.
Oh, I'm not. My social following is horrible.
Who cares?
It's Asa Sayoli.
Okay, wait, say it again so I can put it.
On Instagram, my name's Asa Sayoli.
Add her, guys, add her.
And follow me on Super Tuilangi.
Yes. Add my girls, they're a part of the TNS family. I came to get food, but I legit ran everywhere. Okay, this is my team. We're playing, what are we playing? Who knows?
Yes, I believe. Huh?
Beyonce! I said it! Yes! We can share. No, we can share. Yeah. Yeah.
First one, you put your hands up, we'll put your hands up. So what's
We are now
Carol's favorite movie?
and they're trying to ask me what Carol's favorite movie is. Hands up.
Favorite movie?
Yeah, we got it.
Yes, Carol.
Passion of Christ.
What village? Please answer the village, please. I just want to know what's the village. What's the village? The village we are looking at is in between Samoa and Tonga.
So right now she's about to blow her cake. Sarah's going to take us through a close-up of the cake.
Happy birthday to you, Leah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Ora, até eu vou fazer o trago que para morrer. Ora, até
How was it?
que tu não olha. Isso é para que não porque está a vir a lembrar.